I have a Whirlpool Quiet Partner 1 dishwasher. I need to reset the control panel. No matter what sequence of buttons I push, it will not reset. Can you look up the correct sequence? Model DU1010XTXB0 Note. There are 5 buttons on the control panel. Select cycle. Options are pots and pans, normal, and 1 hour wash. Select options. Options for button 2 are high temp and heated dry. Select options. Options for button 3 are 4 hour delay and lock. Start/resume button. Cancel/drain button. I cleaned out some dry cat food from the drain that had gotten into the motor. Motor spins. Pump seems to work with drain button. I have the dreaded 7 times flashing clean light going, and cannot seem to reset the control panel no matter what button sequences I push. I have tried pushing buttons with door open, door closed, turning off the circuit breaker for short and extended times. Cannot get the thing to reset.
Hello, thank you for using this service. I will be helping you with your problem today. Control is programmed to stop running and not allow any further cycles if it detects a water heating problem. No temperature increase detected in heated main wash on 3 consecutive cycles. Control blinks the clean LED 7 times repeatedly and disables the start/resume key until cleared. Okay, you need to try and reset the control board. Press high temp scrub, energy saver dry. High temp scrub, energy saver dry, high temp scrub, energy saver dry, high temp scrub, energy saver dry. All the lights will go solid, at which point you press cancel to reset the board. Note, if you don't have a heated dry button, use the air dry or energy saver dry button instead. Try that and let me know if it works. Sorry, I may have sent you the wrong one. Give me a few minutes, I'm bringing up the tech sheets now. Okay, I'm back. It seems there's no reset sequence on this machine. What you can do is put this in diagnostic mode. Service diagnostic cycle notes. Note 1. To invoke the diagnostic cycle, perform the following while in standby. Press any 3 keys in a sequence of 1, 2, 3 and then repeating this selected sequence 2 more times. This gives a total of 9 key presses. The complete key sequence must be entered with no more than a 1 OS period between any 2 key presses. A minimum of a 1 OS period with no key presses must precede the start of the key sequence. To rapid advance 1 interval at a time, press the start/resume key. Special note, while in the diagnostic cycle, the start/resume feature is turned off, auto resume after door and taps, and the start/resume becomes an interval advance key. Invoking service diagnostics clears all status and last ran information from memory and restores defaults. Last ran CILSs and options return to default, normal cycle with heated dry option, last ran delay returns to the lowest delay increment. Operating state returns to standby upon completing or terminating the service diagnostic cycle. Note 2. Turn on all LEDs immediately upon receiving entry sequence, even if door open, and throughout this first interval as a display test. Note 3. Thermistor, temperature sensor, checks. Turn clean LED on if thermistor is in its normal temperature range 17 degrees Celsius to 71 degrees Celsius, 62 degrees Fahrenheit to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Note 4. Heater relay must lag motor relay by 1.5 seconds at startup of heated wash intervals to avoid simultaneous heater and motor inrush current.
Okay, Brian, I am making progress. All of the lights went on, a good sign, and right now the pots and pans light is on and the start resume button is green. Do I keep pushing the start resume button at this point? Do I see if it runs? It seems to be filling with water right now.
Let it go for a few minutes and tell me what it does. The problem is the heater, I believe.
The cycle switched to normal, the start resume button was showing green, The clean light is off. It seems to have run a little, but right now it stopped and now all lights are off.
Okay, this is a problem that not just a reset unfortunately, Teresa problem with the water temp. Either the heater isn't working or the thermostat has failed. You will need to test both the heater and the high limit thermostat. These test basically the same way. Check them for continuity. Here's a link to a video on how to do that. http://www.repairclinic.com/part-details/heating element assembly/W10134009/1381534 Model number equals DU1010XTXB0 or the other is the cause.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.